Ever feel like you're stuck in a rut? Day after day, the same routine, the same unfulfilled dreams? I was there. Just an ordinary person, working a 9 to 5, wondering if this was all life had to offer. But then everything changed. I found the exciting world of Forex trading. In just 6 months, I went from counting pennies to counting millions. The kind of money that gives you freedom. Freedom from debt, freedom from the daily grind, freedom to live life on your own terms. It takes hard work, dedication, and the right plan. And the best part? I'm going to share it all with you. So sit back, relax, and get ready to start a journey that could change your life forever. Imagine waking up every day in a beautiful villa by the clear blue waters of the Caribbean. Think about stepping off your own private jet, ready to make another big deal. Picture a life with amazing vacations, important meetings, and knowing you've made it. This isn't just a dream, it's my life now. Forex trading has opened up a world that most people only imagine. It's about the power, the freedom, and the feeling of success that comes with mastering this skill. You're probably wondering, what is Forex trading? It's the biggest financial market in the world, where people buy and sell currencies, making money every day. In this video, I'll explain the basics of Forex trading, simplify the terms, and give you the tools and strategies to start your journey to financial freedom. My journey started like many of yours. I had just $2,000, saved from many hours of overtime. $2,000, not much in the world of finance, right? But even a small amount can be your start to big success. I remember the day I put that money into my Forex account. I felt both excited and scared, like taking a big step. But deep down, I knew this was the start of a dream life. I didn't have a fancy finance education. In fact, I left school at 16. I spent hours reading books, watching tutorials, and practicing on demo accounts. Slowly, I started to see patterns, understand indicators, and create a strategy that worked for me. Section 2. The power of leverage. Turning pennies into pounds. Leverage is one of the most powerful tools for Forex traders. It lets you control bigger trades with a small amount of your own money. Think of it like a magnifying glass for your money, making your profits bigger. The word leverage can sound scary, especially if you're new to trading, but if you use it wisely, leverage can help you make big gains. For example, if you have $1,000 and use a leverage ratio of 1 to 100. This means you can control $100,000 in the market. Imagine what you could do. Even a small change in the market can lead to big profits with leverage. With good risk management, the rewards can be much greater than the risks. Section 3. Mastering the charts. Decoding the language of Forex. You might be looking at those Forex charts with their zigzags and candlesticks, feeling a bit confused. Trust me, I've felt that way too, but what if I told you that those movements actually tell a story? A story that can help you make money? Forex trading is about spotting patterns, understanding trends, and making smart guesses about future prices. The charts are our guide, our way to see into the market. Section 1. Bollinger Bands riding the waves of volatility. Have you ever watched the ocean waves moving in and out, crashing and pulling back? The Forex market is similar. Prices go up and down all the time. Just like a skilled surfer rides waves smoothly, we can use market changes to our benefit. This is where Bollinger Bands help us. Think of two lines moving with the price, like riverbanks guiding the flow. These lines are the Bollinger Bands. They get wider when the market is very active, showing more trading chances. They get narrower when the market is calm, hinting at possible breakouts. We can use them to find buy and sell signals, understand market mood, and even predict price changes. Section 2. The art of the trade. Entering and exiting with precision. Finding good trades is just the start. The real skill in Forex trading is knowing when to get in and out of trades with care and control. Many new traders make mistakes by letting their feelings take over, risking their money. Forex trading isn't a quick way to get rich. It's about strategy, patience, and taking calculated risks. Before we trade, we need to ask some important questions. What is the market trend? Is the currency pair strong or weak? Where are the support and resistance levels? And most importantly, how much are we willing to risk on this trade? Section 3, Risk Management, Protecting Your Hard-Earned Profits. Now, let me tell you something that most Forex experts won't. Risk management isn't exciting. It's not about chasing those thrilling all-or-nothing trades. It's about keeping your money safe, protecting your gains, and making sure you can trade for a long time. In Forex trading, one of the best tools we have is the stop-loss order. This simple order automatically closes our trade if the price goes against us by a set amount, limiting our losses and protecting our profits. By using good risk management techniques, we can make sure that no single losing trade wipes out our account or stops us from reaching financial freedom. Section 1. The Psychology of Winning, Mastering Your Emotions. Let's talk about something that affects all traders, our emotions. Forex trading is as much about handling your feelings as it is about money. Fear, greed, hope, and despair can mess with our decisions and lead to mistakes. Have you ever been glued to the screen, watching every tiny change, or tried to win back losses with one risky trade? We've all done it. Controlling your emotions is the most important skill in Forex trading. It's about being disciplined, patient, and staying calm even when things get tough. Stick to your trading plan, even when you feel like doing something else. One good way to manage your emotions is to think of trading like a business. Treat it like a game of chances, not a gamble. Section 2, From Doubter to Believer. My turning point. Now, I'll be honest with you, I wasn't always this calm and collected. I used to doubt Forex trading, just like some of you. I thought it was a quick way to lose money, and for a while, I wasn't wrong. I made beginner mistakes, let my emotions take over, and paid the price. But then, something changed. I found a mentor, an experienced trader who guided me. He taught me discipline, risk management, and how to control my emotions. Section 3. Building your Forex arsenal, tools and resources for success. So what do you need to start trading Forex? The good news is, you don't need a fancy office or a supercomputer. All you need is a computer or smartphone with internet, a trading account with a good broker, and a desire to learn. Start with the basics. Learn the fundamentals and add tools and strategies as you get better. Choosing the right Forex broker is very important. Look for a broker with a good reputation, fair spreads, reliable execution, and great customer support. You might be wondering, can I really learn this by myself? The answer is yes, you can, but it's much easier and more fun with a supportive community. One of the best things I did was join a group of people who loved trading. They shared my passion, understood the highs and lows, and were always there to help. They shared their tips, strategies, and even trading signals. We shared ideas, analyzed charts, and celebrated successes together. Finding the right community can take time, but there are real communities with smart and supportive people who want you to succeed. Now, I know you're eager to hear about the big wins, the moments where it all came together. And trust me, there were many. But there's one trade that stands out. A trade that not only pushed me towards my $1 million goal, but also made me believe in myself. It was a Friday afternoon, just before the market closed for the weekend. The EUR-USD pair had been moving sideways all week, but I had a feeling that something big was about to happen. I had been watching the economic calendar and knew that the US non-farm payrolls report, a key economic indicator, was about to be released. As the release time got closer, I could feel the tension building. The market was unusually quiet, like a predator waiting to pounce. Then, the numbers came out. They were much worse than expected, causing the US dollar to drop. And just like that, the EUR-USD pair shot up, breaking out of its range with explosive force. Becoming a Forex millionaire wasn't just about the money, it was about the change, the journey from ordinary to extraordinary. Proving to myself that I could do it. There were sleepless nights, moments of doubt and even tears, but I never gave up. I felt freedom and success. The money and luxury were just bonuses. It was a change in my mindset and belief in myself. Becoming a Forex millionaire was a journey of hard work, discipline and perseverance. A journey that pushed me beyond my comfort zone, a journey that led to a life I once only dreamed of. So here we are. My story, once a dream, is now real in the Forex market. But this isn't just about me, it's about you. It's about the potential inside you. The Forex market doesn't care who you are. It rewards those who dream big and learn. The journey of 1,000 pips starts with one trade. Take the challenge and don't give up. The road to financial freedom is full of risks and careful planning. The question is, are you ready to start? Your future awaits.